Salute everybody. Salute all my country people. I beg. When you come online, live, I beg. Try to share, I beg. And the salute to my country people then. God bless you now. And salute you now. And salute you now. They say today we'll get the live broadcast for 6. I beg, as you come live, share. As you just come live, I beg, share. I know we'll start the presentation until one man don't share. Share, I beg. I need some number of people, even like 100 shares. Please. As you come live, share. Share for any place you share. To your WhatsApp, to your Facebook groups, them, YouTube, Instagram, any place you share. Well, my Lord, thank God for today. Thank God for today. God bless you now. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. I greet you to sir. God bless you. God bless you. I beg share. God will bless you. Share. I beg share. Share. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Today are the first March 220. God will bless you as you come share. I beg. When I share, may go wide far. When I share with me, God will bless you before the start. I beg when I share. Now God get power, eh? Now God Almighty, I get power. Nobody get power past God. I be doing today. I come. I title this my message. Which kind country one Bilam called Ambazonian? ? God go bless you. Share. Una share, I beg. Una share. I beg, una share. God go bless you when you share. Yes, I need share. I love you too so much. God bless you. Una share. As you come, don't share. That God is doing better. I beg you, una share. God bless you. God bless you. I will never stop to speak the truth. All what we need is the truth. Yes. Now God give me power. No, human being give me power. Nobody they let God. No man they let God. I salute all man. All man, happy Sunday. Anytime we come, we can watch and we no come live. Happy Sunday. God bless you now. Share for me. Martino, God bless you too, my brother. Yeah. God bless you. Una share. As I title this my message, which kind of country one Bilam called Ambazonian? ? Yes. I beg una share so that man start. God will bless you for the share. God love you. God bless you. God bless you. Yeah. Hey, God bless you. Marie Paul. God bless you too. God bless you, my sister. God bless you. I beg una share. God will bless you. Una share. When I see my face now, I smile today because God get power. But I cry inside psychologically. Yes. I be glad because people they come out for bush. By the grace of God, they come out. Yes. My brother, life is safe. Thank you. God bless you. I beg as you come, you share with me. So that I might just start the presentation one time. God will bless you. As you come, share. I'm not going to start where don't worry. Just share. Una share. Yes. God be great. Yeah. Yes. As you now know, today is the first March 2020. Me say 220. My name's na Oka Nasiri Clovis. They see Oka Nasiri Clovis again. I still day today for this platform for some more talk. My countryman, he picking 90s. Anybody ask my countryman, every those are my countryman, now my countryman this, now picking this. In the go holiday, he more rest, he get a family for take care of. Yeah? Who the Christ so we need government may change. He need for rest. That's what he did. The one go show say na a good man, he did work good work. He know na only one more the work, no more rest. Una share so na the calm, una share. Yes. Anything you want for my countryman for the platform, you get them for here. Yeah. So man, my countryman he picking this. Countryman junior na in this. This is my father. Papa salute you. God bless you. God bless you now. Today na the first March 220. My name na Oka Nasiri Clovis. I be titled this my message. Which country one bill am Ambazonian? We call am say Ambazonian. Yes. We declare so want independence. Not be bad thing, eh? I find thing. But one be na which country call us Ambazonian? Who want rule the country? Who want be soldier? Who want be this, be that? When we, they say call Ambazonian fighters, them, we the fighter, we. Inside, I want to make one be cleared. For inside 100% Ambazonian fighters, from the commanders, generals, colonel, bosses, rival free marshals. Yeah? I mean say 96 to 97 are illiterate. That's the simple truth. I want to ask you a fighter. We say you know your country before you fight, you know your history before you fight. That person ask that question, I'm a very dull man because you don't know where to talk. A very dull man. Because most of the fighters then they have stagnant illiterate. I tell you because I don't be inside bush. I know the sweet inside bush. I know the suffer inside bush. You know easy. I don't be a commander. I know where to a day. Picking the way write name, he pass him. You don't know him. They will tell me say that kind of person I wait. You know understand. You know what you tell you. It brainwash you. Una share I beg. So as I tell you now, this thing, one, you fight Ambazonian fighter, you no go school. You want be a general for Ambazonian. See that kind of madness. You equate yourself say you be diaspora, EIG. Most of them are thief people. Bandit, and I don't thief for the country for na run. Who know? Now what can Rui? Who na be criminal, don't be rapist? Now what can Rui? None of you Rui. None of you Rui. So I don't want to ask you now, say which country where you want belong. When you fight all those who kill you. Because I want to ask the world, say for which kind of planet Earth you don't ever see person where you no get first school, he be general for army. You no get all level, say he be general for army. You never see him. It never ever happen. Where it means automatically, if this fight lasts for 20 years or 15 years, they give you the country, you want be in our country. A country for drug addictism, a country of life stealing, a country of thief people, a country of illiterate people, then one be which nation, one be which country. One be which country. Now I don't want to ask you, say, you as you there for year, will you say be fighter? The countries by countries, no the reason. Now because tomorrow when they succeed their mission, where they wish to say independent, they go wipe all we back. Now they say we fight ourselves every blessed day and night. Because we'll never qualify to be a country. We'll never qualify. We get 3 people that they fight this fight. 3 people. We get people there for decentralization. We get people there for federalists. We get pro-independent. Now the so-called independent people don't talk to me. They kill all those people then. If for the fight for that 3 dimension, this struggle, the casualties of death will record them. Not for the record them again. We not for ever record them. But now. They brainwash you, you fight. Say you can't be a soldier, they will pay you, you be a general, now control ground zero. Control ground zero how? Control the country how? Where be stagnant illiterate? Where you want educator for the public? Like a military man. We don't feel that if your name. My brother want actually say this thing a madness. Now the country that one billion. Kidnap people, rape them, cut them. Now the country that 1 billion. Is that it? That's 1 billion. That is wrong. It is very bad. Now may I ask you say, if the thing lasts even for 20 years, so we stand from now to 20 years time. If the thing lasts 20 years, you don't. Most of our ground zero fighters them, una get picking them. We want to picking them 1 year. From now to 20 years, that picking is supposed to don't get degree. but in the go school, you don't fight so take me to the very fight. It continue. When most of we will do for community, they see small people carry pieces for your hand. Say be Igbo dey she carry gun. You train a pikin na her. Tomorrow go cut your head. Tomorrow that pikin grow up, you go cut your head. You the papa. If you succeed alive, then you call yourself say waiting. Better for diaspora train the pikin well. Pikin they go good schools and better their life. So now so the more the fight. Fight for which reason? Your own better self say. Your own better self say you want to even get some small for school. But you're picking oh, but no nothing. It grow up with that bad mentality. You expect it tomorrow make can be how? Look at the picking level around we. Or don't turn them into. We don't turn the weighty. We kill everything of a weighty. Why? Why? This thing a brainwash, my brother. You fight this fight, you don't get nothing for gain them. Nothing. You papa mommy, I want to tell you say no. You the shit done. You say they talk do one, you do them. They talk do you do, I talk do I do them. You the harm na yourself. Now your pikin they die. Now your sister they die. Either for that's why they not overdo it. They no find say no. This struggle don't end. Now they use another seek asylum for white man country. They seek asylum for white man country. Better their future. Better their life. Therefore, I want to say, mommy, don't tell their pikin and say, me no go school, you no green. Your pikin may not do anything, you no green. Your pikin no go join the struggle, they die every day. Then your pikin they die. You get the power to save your pikin in life, or you leave him may die all. May they die all. At the beg when I say when I drop on I say when I like not for my own interest. Now because I love una. The people that don't know say okay now, yeah what you have they call my pa number number say may he wrong go seek asylum. The one make all the major general they run, they leave the picking level guns, they just encourage them to fight. This thing say for the next 30 years, you no go ever achieve them. If you are the lie, make at the lie, I'll bring you proof for you now. I plan for you, and then talk go far. Proof. My partner, they did their life. He never die. He did alive, alive. Did it in a thief. He did alive today. My brother, they only encourage you now. Someone have found they die for nothing. Man, tell you something now. People don't say no ever get independent. They struggle for safety. Maybe they push you fight so that we don't be na 4 years. This so no school. So my pikin they go. So my pikin they will say push they go school. If they can't reach 5 years, you can't reach 10 years, even 20 years. They are picking for white man country. They go good. They go good school. They better their future. Them they go their work. They don't talk. Say me no man no government work and no work. According to them, say most they start kill their family them. Apart to that thief they call say Joshua Aka. That idiot. You want to open the page for you, open the page. Now, I tell you, why you not stop your own work for diaspora? You not stop them. You picking the go school now. But don't tell them, no, give them picking the go school. As stupid and dull, we not dull. Southern Cameroonians, them. We over stupid. We over dull. For you to accept that kind of nonsense. You picking the go school women country. Tomorrow, they will launch on good job for the country. That picking they will come back and take all those jobs. For say your own go day, you no go school. You want to go be minister, wait, no go school. You want to go be jail, no go school. You want to be even a commissioner of pollution, no go school. You must go book. You no get first school, you want to be soldier now. You never go use school, never know read even your name, write your name, no. You want to be soldier now. Think and fight it in a madness. A country for kidnappers, them. They brainwash we all. They are beginning to go school for them. I want to open an eye today. This thing they so I might tell now. The people they don't thief for the country, the wrong way man country, go seek asylum. Now they want come back for inside the country, we no day. You don't hear. Now they use it to the advantage now for the make a move, they die for nothing. For no good thing. Don't they maybe people stop school. They are beginning to better their life, they go school. Why not stop that? If you don't say for this thing and find thing now, may they bring their family from wild man country for down here. May always start that thing. May no man no go school. May no man no work. More feed the pain. I want to ask Ambazona fighter. You know if you go Euro. You know if you go. You know if you stand up for social media begin talk. You therefore bush you suffer yourself for nothing. Say you fight weighty. You fight weighty. This thing na brainwash na madness. You do yeah. Na madness. Because there is nothing. And the people that say there is nothing like independence. You're just wasting your time. I know say most of the people that for ground zero here. And even that's why they don't use this struggle. I think they work their money. I get some video one I play and more hear for me from General Ivo. Before Ivo the diamond and no start how Ivo die come out. And then talk until play. Hear for me.
If some test, if some honey,
no see face no.
any man where they claim position, they need pay no soldier or they pay some soldier. If some honey no do some place, let people know for the claim that name, that power for be some level. I believe say if we all would take and say they need to pay we go join as one who fight this thing. But if you need one join the group, talk about this group, now that pro update they cause auditing, and sit tell them for update say if they not adjust themselves, we will go lie low, who leave the country so. To get very simple way, we not so be on the risk. Then the love we go down the risk of we leave we not they safe. Who fight them, we not they safe. So no get no safe side. Who hide, they will find we. Who fight, it better self, even defend ourselves.
Now General Ivo, now see face final. General Ivo.
When they talk that Mami Bomu for update, me all they come up for update come for here. When I ATF leader on a right track one, on a soccer dev leader, me they come up for update when they fight their position. They come for down here, move join for down here. Who give that as my brother the same day she. Who test them for them, me they go fight. Me they know so day she the power day she. If not been a God, let the public game money if you take the best of day she with the world. They still yet will succeed them because of God. If they say and say we will not the bear risks, we will not do nothing. The day on will bring confusion within us. Me they come all them they come meet our way. Two and kill for Grand Zoro and then the cause them for put leaders, group, all for bring confusion. And the group that they enter inside plenty they're gonna go chief. Now they make the night they sound like say me they not join with this man because the man we talk true. Sometimes they talk like that man agree for join me because if he come, I will spoil them my lie. Or if he come, I'll spoil them my true. Now some street devils on corner where they take them. If true no street all will take one my own, no so they need pay no man. Because never see no soldier for sugar death for the matter. Why don't you say bits of mass on they take 1,000? And the highest thing that don't plan and no see them. And I'll keep track for you some man talk Sunday. So don't hold it. I never ever see them some place on soldier for sugar death for the matter. He talks say this so some power complain oh mommy. So don't can access some money take them. Or sometimes they don't burn the house. Sometimes they don't do this. But groups they never say they burn my house because of money they don't ask you no day. They kidnap you. They do this. But I never see them in some matter. I just believe so I don't give me and say I didn't know the soldier on matter. All the two commanders for the group on matter. But I hear news, I don't hear news and can never call me them because no give no black no give no black me within us, no give no grievance. We can't know she don't we all we together for talk some of the things that I hear. And we don't put all those things that we clarify ourselves. Well, I will know any of those. We can't
call for Camilo and me, account the second in command. When something they happen, everybody, plenty people that they talk and their own way, they don't even they yes. But I want to say, right from Nigeria over there, all the camps where the people inside Nigeria, they move can be for one. Make this man for up, no, if you talk, you own one, because if you give me 20 billion, you know first talk and say, you know, if you take that money, put that inside, go and you shoot person. And you give me that 20 billion, you know, if you buy my life. But I didn't work that 20 billion.
So, my brother, them, my country people, them, and I don't hear them. That was General Ivo. The General Ivo. Now he talk so, and I say I'm fine. Say I'm mad tell us on small thing. You see, Ambazona struggle. Ambazona struggle na nonsense. When they realize they don't know the truth, they kill you. Mad tell them no fine. Ivo, they don't know the truth. You don't hear. They fight. Look at man after and say, who question 1 billion first? Go to get counties by counties. This is how they go kill if no, they go kill if Amber, they kill Amber. General, they kill General. Because of position. Because this thing, you know, you're finance now business. That was around 2017, 218, this video. Before Ivo, they die. He realized the truth, they plot for killing. And they succeed killing. If they call General for Ambazonia, like they ever exist, Ivo now one. They call fighters. You know, 15 they now. You know, yeah. Ivo don't know the truth. Say this thing now, so he did. They plot say, hey, we'll leave this boy. Eh? This boy will spoil our thing. May they kill him. Ambazonia struggle, he gets some more sense. Eh? We know why they kill you. And Ambazonia struggle, they always struggle where if you go small book, you get small, they give position. They don't give you. And when they give you, they fight for kill you. Because they say you wise. They put a stagnant illiterate man where they say, do you like bam, that man die. You don't hear. They make not their money. If not be something, not for the fight position by position. For the diaspora, don't want to be president, don't want to be president, don't want to be this, don't want to be this. Now wait, these countries by countries, the key we don't die tire. Mommy, papa them, they picking they down on picking them. If you take a right nonsense for on net, you know your losses. You know wait. So the street me and say no. Most of us a bit talk. But no will take action to prove them. Me, I don't be for that bush. I don't fight for that bush. I don't fight for that bush. I know what it's there for, but I don't suffer there for bush. No man there for the platform is right on that talk. No one man if tell me anything concerning Amazonian struggle. Because there are two different things we need to understand. What we need to understand. The people they die every day, no, not picking they die every day. They lose their life for nothing. For no just cause. Or I take and enrich your life, enrich yourself, they make money. You will be civilian for ground zero year, where they come out, they go tell information for that boy that will bush, may they kill this man, may they kill this. You need to get nothing. You need to gain nothing for your life. When they keep us, you gain waiting. Nothing. Nothing. No, don't take around and make una money. All the name of struggle, people they die for nothing. When people down, I can't talk rubbish. Una, people know the after that one for una. But I can't tell the simple truth more they well know. I'm gonna understand. Say this thing a madness. My brother, then they tell you rich now, more leave this thing. Make people that life be safe. Preserve your life. You dare life because you're strong. Because you God like you. That's more to 2,000 or 400 they give you now. May no bring, may no make you your head shake. If you send that money, where they have to want more than millions. See a poor mommy, a poor party, they go kill them every day. Innocent people for not just cost. Say a black leg, this, that. See what happen for Northwest. For Northwest, with the crowd, don't want to come up for go protest for one a White House or waiting. For me, no, I tell the world, the AU and the United Nations, you know, those people supposed to be arrested because they are thieves. If they be like the beginning place, you know, for the person who carry gun go to fight for Bush. When people don't die, when I can't get you don't listen, I love people. When I love those people, when I there for women because they enjoy their life, eh? Now they enjoy their life. People they die every blessed day and night for ground here. What is all this? What is all this nonsense? Tomorrow when I go and make placard them, become make nonsense. Like which people? When I be like the one that tells me they carry gun, when you know defend people. Which Amazonian fighter they will defend one village? We go start this thing where the massacre happen, cry. No kind of nonsense is. That 2005 they give away when I take another one I go the craze with now wait this. Where they are like today, work more than that money. More than that money. The so-called independent people, they went thief people them. Pastor. When I thief people them. They don't confuse waiting for, they don't frustrate for life. None of you go school. They find they don't better their life, say may stop their work. Now be go school, if I go be pastor. Pastor na how many degree? You find they go better school, you look and say na advantage for you. Come on, use the small people that get out of the country, una hijack them, they kill people for nothing. Why? Why are we doing all these things? Why una wicked? I want to ask the people diaspora say, una fit green, una biological pikin, una born am, he come for Ganzoka carry gun, stand up for roti one fight, take those people for skill when are evil. Una fit do am? No. If una not define as una come out for one man country come for down here, una family them to move, oh, feels that pain. People they die for you every day. What una need for do for she don't talk, any una fit talk. You don't know what that body they pass through. You know what they pass through for life. They don't force people that you don't look at them. Say they laugh now, say wait, they laugh when I'm not say wait. When I don't enter what you don't know if you come out again. They don't say no, if you come out and fight. They can't tell you some good news. You surrender, you live. If you did the accent of a day, I will not for die. Enough for die. Yeah, enough for die. If for day alive today. But unfortunately, that kind of thing be happen. I will don't leave the struggle. My will bring Ivo back for struggle. I will also have vex leave the struggle and I'm go beg it back. I play the record. He go beg it back. But we don't have to talk about number now. Some of us stand up for the talk. We have to talk who? No, be young boy we. I don't come for down. I bring their own picking them. I better not picking their own life. Why others they remain for they go no school. Picking don't frustrate. Small girl they carry belly anyhow. For no good reason. They don't know who give them. Because they want to go school better their future. When I destroy people that future so they fight independent. I want to tell the world today, say no. The worst people for this ground are talk people diaspora. And people for Ganzo, they take this struggle and they make their money. Not only diaspora, people for Ganzo, they make their money for this struggle. You go to say, you go meet them and say, the man a black, they go take ambassador, man, so they go shoot and kill her for no good reason. With the kid now, we see losses. And the actual say, you wait, they give 500,000, 100,000, say, go kill the person, go do this. You get waiting. That's more 500,000. You kill your own brother. You kill your own brother for what reason? If my own biological brother, me not be picking your own brother for green. That I will tell them if the number will be my blood brother for ever get into the struggle at the first place. But none of my brother really encourage. Mommy, papa, look at my town now. When I remember when I begin to die for nothing. Yeah, I don't understand. No. Be first stand for 260 became making nonsense. We don't before this tip. That's why they hijack them. Use that to make their money. When I begin to die every day. You know me, I die. They surrender, they say they allow me the country be so. The country don't be fine. The government don't understand it fought. You don't understand, they don't do some mistake, you don't apologize. But this thing of the aspect, the elections fight. The way they surrender, they fool you. If you say they don't at all. You're not dull. Anybody tells you may fight, you know, like you want me, you die. You need to save my life. You need to save, you need to do me no good. You need to like about government, do yourself good. Look at your age. You know, get the fair school, stagnant illiterate, you want girls country, you want fight weighty. You want fight weighty. We don't look the other party, they listen, a black leg them, we kill them. Since we start kill people, we don't give you independent. No. Since from Q7 today, people start dying, don't give you independent. No. Joshua Kai can't stand out today for platform say, may they kill all my way in the go where the world government work. May God punish you. Me, I tell you, Joshua Kai, I want to tell you today, I need to fear you, my worst enemy, the people of the diaspora. Me, I tell you, I used to small. Your big sister for Batoke here. Your elder sister, your cousin. You know rape his sister. His daughter. Before you run go abroad. You know do am. Tell me say no. I need to fear you. You don't do me anything. If you are a man, come for Ganzero here. Can't face me. If you are a man. My brother, they die every day. Papa, they die every day. Look, see my eyes. See at the cry and I cry. So what happened for Bamenda? How many people lost their life because of Una? My brother, then how long will make what people will die? How long? How long? To do na go carry placard. So na like we. Una like what people. Before na tell people they go die every day. What a shame. Any man dey behind this nonsense. What a shame for you. I want to ask you, I said, Abazonan government, when the judge man, they shoot man, kill him. Even for the Republic government, like you keep person, they shoot you. They even judge you for court, they sentence you. But will they kill anyhow? Now government don't want to bill. A tyrant government, government of rapists, thieves. I don't fear nobody. I speak the truth, and I God stand by me. You, when they tell you, you Ambazonan fight, I'm not telling you. I put on 5 on a year, more than a year. So not too much you need to find. You need to give that small 500,000 for 100,000 if I go to that nonsense. You feel also you get family. You get sister, you get brother, you get mom, you get picky, you get all thing. You go do that nonsense, you get weighty. I want to tell you, say no. I want to repeat one. I repeat one last time I'll tell you. Now they go burn our houses then. Because you don't resign. No man no put man for the Ambazonan struggle. No man. No man they pay no man. No man no give man 50. Make man can stand for say no, you don't give me 100. No man. Now they go burn our house them. Disturb our families them. Kill them for nothing. Man tell now. Enough is enough. Una favor una say no. So una know what to know. All bush for the guy on a day we know. No secondation no. We no secondation don't have to take care of our skin. Oh no am. We turn back for una. I swear to God I'm not want to say no. The high time duration no that nonsense repeat itself again. If anyone of the diaspora send you send you give 100,000, 500,000, go do that nonsense. Man tell you write your death warrant. Write them. Because we go fight back. All my results will go fight back. We go learn for fight back. I will mean it. I tell you that for the world, maybe they understand. We go fight back. Oh, look na lewa border them. Now what I can put sense for now, you know. When they say you tell me take the go do am. May go do am. Because no, who don't talk say no, who don't talk say no. Any day gonna burn any man he has again, we go fight back. And again, I want more for exist. If we turn back for now, I swear to God. Because open a day will know, open a family they will know. For Nigeria, for Cameroon here, for the ground zero, for $8 you don't know. All second for days you know. When the Bible will know, will come after my border. You know, so no blame with the same frequency. Again, I want more for you go. You know, I change na 100 come for one day. I mean, for one day we go fish una out. Now seconds now. What's on? You know how they operate. Now, Sam, the one at the highest donors. For you to go find your colleague fighter we don't resign. You feel for that man not to you know him. We want wipe you in a seconds. We will come after now wipe all now. We all na house to na family then 2 months no say the pain. The other time no we leave Cameroon government military. More fight we. My brother, but not the after that one for now. We know the after that one for now. Because we love una we understand that what that we see we will maintain peace. We didn't have for peace, we know they have for war. Because for day after, not for the exile, I hear my voice now, we not play with, I not play on a day. I not play on the leaf. But I never come after one. I never force no man make come off a bush. I can't tell you the simple truth. If you like, you surrender, don't like, you leave them. A matter of choice. It's a matter of choice. It's not a must. I never can put gun for your head. So man is saying, you don't say no now. Me, I know what to the pass of background. And I can't find me. Stand up fine. Me, I warn you. Time to share. Stand fine. I don't lose everything I get out of this struggle. Now be pay me how much? Now be pay me how much? Now be give you how much? Now be give you how much? Now I talk say money. They'll give some money, go to keep person. I don't kill you. Talk of money. You see me, I need to work for money. I speak the truth because I love the truth. Because I understand all this thing are madness. We are not fit to have a country. That's why I be the country. I ask you now. They don't make run the other two parties. They don't look the lesson and the highest bad people them for the gang. Don't kick them since. Come on again, bring us. Joshua Akai talk say, don't touch the military. Me apply una here. If you touch the military, it's nothing. You touch your people, the slave population. People you are fighting for the same go kill my brother. Your own brother. You don't kill a francophone man, no, na anglophone people, you kill him. If I die today, now losses, now we anglophone losses because be anglophone. And then be francophone. If you kill me, you won't do something. No, you never stop the struggle, now you independent. They wanted the diaspora say no. Ambazonian fighter for Gaza, no fit ever kill me. No fit even hurt me because you know why? They're my brother them. Because me, I no fit put trigger for their head too. Because I love them. But one thing I saw, but I was on a rope fail. My brother, they lie on us, say no. We now command to kill now. Look to I will tell now. They laugh we. The worker tell us some very good news. You have a greater chance. Say, DDR center do in existence. You resign, you save your life. No man, they kill you. They the only fool when I say go buy on a ras and want to do my trip to Boya again. They very my trip to Boya where they be doing that time they chop the money. Eric Tato they can't fight. I play a record whatever they tell you. So they wait for White House to fight. All the people in our opposition. I don't know. I say no. If it's sweet enough for them for the three, but no for the fight position. Because a thief. Counties by counties. Amber the key Amber. General the key general. Amber the key civilian. Fighter. You can say army the key as civilian for which cause? You go burn my house. I may be the house. You go burn our house. I will be the house. No. Go destroy our property. Now we do am. No. Now me this. I don't can find me in person. My brothers, with the cry say today say wait. More look at things in a madness. They don't make someone run and don't turn for small girls them. They don't turn na murder them. They don't turn na beast. Carry audacious na evil. I want ask una say for the well, Emma tell una. The truth bitter but must be spoken. I want ask diaspora, I want ask you where the right on that tongue nonsense here. I want ask you a question. Since your mommy born you, you don't ever dig that man in grave. You don't ever chop that man in bone. You don't ever drink whiskey inside on top of human being is core. You drink and ginger yourself. You don't ever do them. How barbaric. Is that a country you want for Bilam? How barbaric. Look at the children. Stagnant illiterate. They don't even know for to spell their names. Now they brainwash and they go fight every day, carry gun. Una come for una no say no, eh? Una be man picking no. Una come for diaspora, come for ground zero, can carry that gun. Una be youth we. My brother they die every day. Look at what is happening. Poor parents they die every day. Papa they don't go pay, they don't bomb all their houses. Who's gonna go be them again? They die of heart attack. So they IDP, they don't frustrate. My brother, when this thing a madness, think and well. Today I can't for tell you say, mommy, papa, you want to be in our country. You will support Ambazonia and you want to be which country? It's a question they ask you. A country where they kill civilian, a government they kill the civilian, kill the soldier. Now government that. When I tell me for which play for the planet Earth, where soldier never kill defense soldier, when I say when the government they kill and they shoot and kill him. Or shoot the civilian kill, they never say for side. The two government there, my brother, I'm not telling you. Up to I say three people they fight this fight. They don't drive the two parties, I don't call them for now. When the all three people they fight this fight for one direction, we know for the record the casualties. The people they will so-called Ambazonian. Eh? The tongue nonsense, brainwash. Ambazonian struggle is all about lies telling, thief, propaganda, nonsense. Rapists, kidnappers. Now I will talk and say for you. Since how many years today, how many people die? They kill it. They kill the plot for killing them. You know, say one don't know the truth they kill. Is that the business? Is that how it is? Go after the man, fight after the man. Since I want to ask you a fighter, my brother. Since where you start kill people, say na black leg. According to you, they say kill all internal black leg. Don't a black leg killer. We no judge. You no want to lie. You go kill. I don't give you independence. He never give you. You bomb school. They don't give you independence. He never give you. My children boy once a day. They tell us okay. Eric Tacto can talk say, I beg. Una lie low, one contribute money for sponsor and for give now. Sponsor terrorists, why not take that money, take your own pick, your own brother, can sponsor for guns, also make a other gun. Where they kill them every day. Why you not do them? Or why you say not take yourself calm? Now they fight position. Because now they get treasure, now they make money. When I pay house rent, do in a life. Ma tell una no, una be very bad people. I want to tell the world today, so no, we are dying because of the diasporan. My brothers, they lost their life for bush because of the diasporans. My mommy, them, God. Siam. I don't tell una say, we'll never be for Siam. For years on tin, and for Siam, na two different things. And for BD, na two different things. No civilian, no there for the life where they shoot gun instead of that play. No one. No one. Even so they run. When I go show up, when I run. Man tell us something, man make a more understand. If you want army drop down, my brother, by law way to a day, you know how many civilians they go down. When I tell them more fight, man tell now, the simple to say no, the entire population know these boys. Papa, mama, therefore, I know they picking them fine. Una know we fine. No, we. Una know. But now picking they die every day. Now they die. They are picking them for because they don't preserve their life. Their mommy the killer every day say black leg. Why you get for kill him? Why you get for kill him? Why? Why you get for kill him? Why you get for kill him? I can't tell you the truth. I can't tell you the truth, my brothers. I can't tell the world to the truth. My meet them, my country people, the money know say you will support this thing is barbaric. It's nonsense. It's taking us nowhere. For 4 years, I asked a question the other time. Say no, which people don't able to take out? Can't go to social media, so don't take out and go and do them. How many places we don't able to take them? Now Godfather that they kill for Moyuka. I get the video my play Mona say. Godfather, we start a corner. Moyuka a corner road. They kill it. Now clean the amber kill it. One talk say wait. Una don't she don't now take the thing now for ground zero here. For ground zero. Ma tell you, not be now all people of the diaspora they do this thing. People are there for ground zero here. Where they do these things. The day they do them. You know the common can't give information say the man a black leg, the man don't talk so, the man don't talk so, the man don't talk so, more kill it, more do this, more do this, more do this. Because say wait, you want gain treasure. Because wait, you want gain say no, it work with Amber. I don't take a now, no if you walk, you don't hear. No if you walk, na the thief na thief. Una the thief na thief. Ma play do one hear am again from Ivo. Una hear am again.
To subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, hear am.
I get too much work for work. Like my other generals and commanders for the other areas. But I don't be provoked with some reasons them. If you look, when this struggle will start, comes the be counted. But today, too much comes.
One of the biggest general. You see now.
Too much comes.
One of the biggest general from Bazoo ever exists. The so-called that go to
make the struggle me go further. I go start first. That too much come. They don't give me 4 reasons. I go start with 1, tribalism. Any small village must be picking for that village. They make come, you come now today. You go be big man because picking for that village. They don't recognize the true fighters. 2 comes then there for 1 village now. Village where get 2 chief comes there 4. Because of what the rubbish of where Chris Anu. They take and put up social media say oh Bamleke then go. I go ever make my speech all my life. I put that point. I want beg the entire population to wipe that one out of our mind. If we wipe that rubbish inside our mind, we will see say this struggle no will take us a long time. I know very well. Say they hunt me past the way they hunt beef. They hunt me, they find me past the way they find money. I know very well. Say they find me. But I will ever stand for tell my people the truth, so that if I go, me they continue from where I live. But I truly believe this God will serve them. Say I know they're out for the struggle, I go make money. I know they're out for the struggle, for bring confusion. I know they're out for taste them. And they're out now for maker. God choose me. This Anubi told me, oh, I'm going to live. You don't make any small village now. 1 village go get 5 camps. Instead for 1 village, go get 1 solid camp. Nana comes because of properties for people and way they don't suffer for long. The lazy family where papa no feel work, your mommy no feel work. You carry the laziness. Some don't know curse. You turn one follow the people that property. They make them pray as they reduce on us. People that they pray for us. Pray for we day and night. Because of that property. He make una any man don't make come. As if it talk bameta, you know say na you go rule that place abatibo. As if it tongi, now you go rule that place. With the rape people, if you rule that place, then they who are not feel live for them. Would you restore our country, not be fighter? Left the person.
So, I beg una share. As you come, so una share. I will talk. I don't get. Wait, my late brother General I will be talking before he die. I want to ask now. May we ask ourselves what are we fighting for? Now property there for Bamileke don't drive them all. Or now wait to the fight for now. You see, I say wait. I want to ask wait. Which kind of country want bill am now? Tell me. To not define me, say kill me, do this. Look am. I will not stop to talk with you until the way God for heaven go call me, I die go. So man to go see continue for play one day. My brothers for ground zero. I want to make the husband make them understand say no ambassador fighter no dey my enemy. No one. I mean say no amber but no dey for bush na my enemy, na my brother them. But not my enemy. Now for diaspora, na my worst enemy for the gang. I don't allow una girlfriend. Don't give una work now. Don't give una work. Now don't go seek asylum for white man country who are blood they die, they waste them every day. The fool we for nothing. None of my worst enemy. You know about for Ganzero. Are they honor to save their life? I don't ever kill them. I never tell them every. Don't know my enemy them. I don't fear for worker. The worker any place worker me. I the worker any place. I don't fear for worker. I don't fear Amazonian fighter because I'm a border. Amazonian fighter no fit kill me. Me, he no fit kill me. You like give na 100 million no kill me. You no ever find me. He go chop the money she done. Because I'm a brother. Because I love him, I tell you the simple truth. And any man will look and say no, I don't talk about thing. Man will gain treasure for this nonsense. He don't use the advantage of this struggle to make money. You don't hear them. One be whose country. Papa, mommy, una wake up. My country people them una wake up. Una think. Una allow the team them for diaspora for come manipulate una own biological picking they die. Or una go stand up to fight for una picking they are right. Una remain una they picking they die or una die to for nothing. Because like all will die, this country don't ever separate. That's the simple truth. I will not ever wish for separate the country. We not wish because we not be fit for get a country. Maybe Christian talk the other day for feeling and say, wait, we are not qualified to have a country because counties by counties, this. Do one they can talk for a friend. That's why they own better. But for Ganzoro, you will kill for position. Many most of our general know the world will not wipe you. They'll wipe you. My brother, how long we go kill ourselves? Are we no one? We not be brothers. Why you go kill ourselves? If I kill you today or you kill me today, we won't gain waiting nothing. All we two don't losses. Our family don't losses for life. Any people don't die, the family don't losses. Family, some of my people, my tell now, will be very stupid and dull for allow this thief them for diaspora for manipulate or picking they die. More you know something, no show family like tongue nonsense. See, now they down and like she don't that's where I want talk of wait happen for this kind of play for Northwest will be very pity. You pity how we tell them they can't go and defend their people. My brother Gazoro, we cannot fight these people. We cannot fight them. We beg. I beg una save lives. If you don't value your life, value your brother in life waiting for corner. Value your family. Value. Look, I'm not your brother where you get and your brother. Any Anglophone and my brother and my sister. Francophone and my brother and my sister. Man ask us something Amazonian fighters. Who they die now? With Anglophone they die. You don't kiss on Frenchman. No nothing. No Frenchman they losses. No one of the losses. They go they for dollar and they go to better school them. They enjoy their life. No goes down. Or the poor goes to suffer on ourselves. The same old poor goes to for man country. They do their work them. After they contribute small chicken. Man tell now $20,000 on a $100,000. It's chicken change for white man country. It's no money. Now nonsense money. You know if you go Europe too, go better your life. You don't cancel the keys for your die for nothing. But by the time they reach more leave this thing, make peace reign, or die for nothing. Now don't take another make no money. They want tell you say my brother, that money where they find them, no be na find money. No be find money. Leave that thing. Save your life. Better your future. And also no be na all amber will come out for bush. They want no matter they not all people they no do not fit ever come out for bush. Either die for that because you know why? They make money. Because you know why? They feel like say they don't be a criminal. They find them. I tell you, listen and listen good from today. Surrender, you gain amnesty. In amnesty, you know you did what you don't do them. Now war. Now don't be na war, na struggle. They say Amber don't die, meaning you don't kill Amber. Ambatu don't kill military. For the both parties, they don't lose. We need to just accept peace, make peace reign. The government don't apologize. I have nothing for gain when you die. They get plenty for gain when they alive because tomorrow if he help me. Tomorrow if he help me, when they alive today. But when you die, all losses. I not be day out for find money for Amazonian struggle. But I can't realize myself, say this thing are nonsense. I can't tell you the truth. How dull will I be there? But I thank God for my life. Thank God for everything. I realize the truth. But I know if you stop, if I sit down quiet, I not tell you the truth. It means I don't like you. It means I hate you. I'm gonna tell you the truth. But I need to force you for that when you come out. But it's a choice. You surrender and save your life, or you die. For nothing. You die for who? People will not regard you. My brother, I don't ask you and say no. Ask yourself, which country you want belong? You not get no reason for if you get country. You not qualify for get a country. Whether I die today, the country will ever divide. But I still tell them to understand. Again, Amazonian fighter no be my enemy. Are they out of save Amazonian fighter alive? But any man for diaspora na my enemy, gang. You know yeah. Because na pikin dey Europe, they go better school, they better their life. Una they make they die forever for no reason. See that pikin they don't frustrate. My brothers, my country people, them, I dey beg una say, mo stop this thing and save our lives, or we'll die for nothing. I'll never stop for talk the truth. Me, I not go stop for talk the truth. Because I know where to be in and out of this struggle. I said there are two things. Man way, it did do something, either for that place, that thing they happen in Siam. It did different. We man way the year. Amazonian, they don't turn a graveyard. So then they go for battlefield, picking the die lessons, and then they even carry the cops them. People that picking the don't die, their parents don't even know play the day. Just like that, my brother, for which reason? The government don't call and say una come. They teach them for the hospital. They say no. Under the hospital they'll give you a poison. They'll do. Who will poison you? Okay, now man for the hospital when a thief man will tell until yeah. When they say go kill your brother, you green. My brother, how dull will be? How stupid will be? For 4 years, my brother fight for 20 years, 100 years, not independent. They know for the diaspora, they make their money. They know. They know. Keep sharing. I beg. They know. We died of waiting. They know. They really encourage us on a fight. So we'll bow on a rice. We'll sell on a rice. We'll chop on a rice. Now bring you rice. Now bring you rice. Say rice. Rice now waiting. You know if you buy rice with their life. How much you know if you welcome? That 500 they give or 1 million for they give you. When they say Emma for support. My brother with their life they will work more than that money. And they tell you say they are alive today now because they are never rich. You know strong. People that have the feed that will be you. Define them. My brother, look at me. I know he talks, I want to talk. The highest general that exists for Amber Land up to date na General Ivo. 1 man soldier. You know they too. Where he stand I know they for that nonsense. But then a thief. They will know the truth they kill you. But that's why Amazon talk today. As you know the truth na kill you. Now in that. Even me now. When they find me, they find when I find me pass money say they find money, they find me. But that one nothing for me. Now nothing. If I die happy man. Because I tell my people the truth. Because I don't save life. But no man of it kill me before my time. No man. No man. No, my brother, you there for bush. Surrender, you save your life. No man will poison you. You never be prisoner. No man will do you anything. Man tell you from today morning, no. You want here now for me. Or why for that thing of the diaspora. No man will pay me for tell you. No man will give me 50 francs. No man will give me money. Now because I love you. I need them for money. You know the Amazon show when I want that money? If you have for the free money, I have run die since. Because they charge me all kind of way, no way. I need to follow money. When I feel say any man way can talk through them will pay. What will put that for head? So you know if you save somebody life and not give you money, you know if you save them, now only money, because they call and they give us money, thief, kidnap people, they take them, like bush and do and the money that. My brother, save your life. People not get no lie again for lie we hear. Look, all churches they say bring and say they want to make my trip to Boya again, they want to make a contribution. Which time when they tell you that thing say independent they come. So we're gonna 1 year for fight. Independent they come. I get video for him, I want to play where I will be talking. I say anybody for election go should do this. Say that day was also ready for Boya. They say my trip, I already done my Boya now, my trip to Boya. I wait to that for bush. You show yourself no to look at me. Look at me. I dey suffer. If they not trap, not be trap. I dey save their life. Yeah for me. I know the people there the whole year for me they come out. You will not hear for me, remember for the bush you die. You die for nothing. Thank you very much. My brothers, my country people. My brother Amazonian fighters, I love una plenty. I pray the God will show me the good way, make sure they do the good way. Leave that bush and better your life. I want to tell my country people them, be picking the die now, not picking them. When I'm out for the house, I don't die. What happened for Bamenda now don't die? Now Fred man dies so. No! Now still will die. Will gain weight in nothing. Today they go shit on became a social media, cry, making them. For which reason? Say they love we. They don't love we. They will not know them carry gun, we fight for nothing. Brainwash, we tell we bad thing about our government for nothing. When I people they run for the country, they run go. Some of them best they run leave the country. Because they were thieves. They don't look at how this struggle start for peaceful demonstration, where we start, they hijack them. Their own selfish reason. My brothers, them, more leave this thing, make peace reign. Drop the gun, you save your brother their life. All the ghost stances don't make no sense. You know, now they suffer for nothing. You know, for 4 years, for ghost stand for 4 years, don't give you independent. No. We make about 20, don't give ever give you independent. We not leave it to me, Oman feel free. And but people don't run tired, run. Who want fight again? Apart of people for bush. Who want fight? Apart of general people for bush, now they thief and make that money. They brainwash your others gonna come. Any man jump on struggle now. Now my the one thief. Now thief man, you don't know what to fight for. You don't know. That's the simple truth. So I thank you very much, my country people. Then. God bless you now. Una keep on sharing. My next program I will come, my next broadcast, I will come with enough materials. I will tell you how we Amazon show good for bush. How it will happen for bush. How it happen for bush. I will tell you now. Because most of them ask me, I will tell you now what it happens in a business. So Amazon show in business. I will tell you now what in a business. You don't hear that one from me, my brothers. Una check sense, una wise. Or you die for nothing. I thank you very much. May God bless you as you continue to share. I beg for una cooperation. Una help. This thing for one man. Oh, we get part for player. We stand up. We help our brother their life. We need to save na President Paul be alive. We need to save na any man alive. Or to save na your brother alive. You need to save na Cameroon government. You save na your life. You let remember if I no cause to do for the government. The government be interested and say, may your life be preserved. You know they have to kill you. My brother, save your life. Una help me save our life. They pick them and are picking them. I thank una very much. My brother them for Gush, Amazonian fighters. I love una plenty. Lord, I tell una the simple truth. I pray may God guide una. Show una the truth. Una forget about the thief there for the diaspora. Because they do not get anything for offering for una. I beg una. Thank una very much. God bless. Una continue for share. Una share.